Hi, my name is Jessica Gavin, and welcome to my home kitchen. I'm a certified culinary scientist, and I'm also a culinary school graduate. I love unraveling the science behind cooking and sharing that knowledge with my readers. On my website, I share hundreds of flavorful meals, including appetizers, side dishes, dinners, drinks, and desserts. My recipes have a healthy twist with occasional indulgences. You will find that each recipe contains a culinary science tip that provides important insight into what makes food taste better. My website goes beyond just recipes. It features a how-to section where you can find step-by-step guides along with the science behind how things work. There's also an In the Kitchen section which features helpful information on seasonal ingredients, pantry items, and tools in the kitchen. My goal is to help you gain confidence in the kitchen through science. I'm excited to help guide you through your culinary adventures. I encourage you to stop by my website each week, and I look forward to connecting with you in the comments section. Please subscribe to my newsletter for new recipes, cooking tips, and practical science to help you elevate your cooking. Oh yeah, and don't forget to follow me on social media.